Okay, so you can see underneath the car where I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut it out all along here. It's not gonna be a lot that I'm gonna cut out, but you can see like how much I pushed it up and it still wasn't enough. And then this is the crazy part. So this is my excited exhaust, 3 inches. Look at that. That's pretty damn close. What I could do is I could hammer it out a little bit here. I don't want to hammer much, but I could hammer it out right there. And then once I get the exhaust, because you want it to be lower than the frame. So when I do the exhaust, that's what I'm going to do. There's not much room there. And then as you can see, if I bring it this way, so you can see how low my exhaust was to the ground. Like, okay, so if I went like this, it wasn't even this low. It was like hanging, so this constantly scraped right here. So yeah, this is not good, because you want the car, right, the exhaust right here to be lower than this part. So if I put it in here, look how much it's going to stick out. I have to cut it. There's no way, because I'm going to have to transition from here to this, and it's just, yeah, it's not even possible. I was going to do a 45-degree bend. Look how much it hangs down. It should be up here. It should be touching with this right here. So this piece right here should be like way up here, not down here. It's not going to be too bad right here. It's not actually sticking. If I go this way, it's still sticking up, but not as much. So that's the plan.